Panda has a bamboo business. Bamboo delicious. Everyone wants bamboo. Business good, very good. Panda rich, panda happy. Panda is also greedy. Panda wants more bamboo shops. But more shops need more money. But wait, Panda, what are you trying to do? Okay, wait, that's not an appropriate way to get more bamboo shops. Release him or I'll end the video here. Good. Now you'd better not do that again. Now Panda has two legal ways to open more bamboo shops. Panda could borrow money from a bank, but banks want it back with interest. Panda does not like this, so Panda has a better idea. He goes to other pandas. He says, "Give me your money. In return, you will own a small piece of my bamboo business. When my business makes money, you make money too." The other pandas think about this. Panda's bamboo business is very profitable. Owning a piece sounds good. They agree. What Panda just sold is called a stock, also called a share. Same thing. The pandas who bought it are now shareholders. They do not chop bamboo. They do not wake up early. They do not deal with the bamboo supplier who is always late. They just own a piece. And when the business makes money, they make money too. Simple. But wait. Panda sold shares to 10 other pandas. Each got 10% of the business. Panda kept none for himself because Panda was very excited about the money and very bad at math. Panda now owns 0% of his own bamboo business. 10 other pandas own it. But what the panda doesn't know is if the founder sells too much, he ends up working to the pandas he sold to. Stocks are tiny pieces of a company. You buy a stock, you own that piece. Company grows, your piece becomes more valuable. Company fails, your piece becomes worthless.